Hi everyone, I'm Veer Mahajan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to checkmate your opponent with just a queen and a king. And what you do in the beginning, you just cut the king off. Okay, you just bring your queen here so that you can go one knight's distance away from the king. And I'll show you what I mean in a second. So it's the black to move, and they have to move in one of these squares. So let's just say they move here. Now what you need to do is move your queen a knight's distance away from the king. So move it here. And what I mean by a knight's distance away from the king is that if the queen was a knight instead, this would be check. When the queen came here, it would be check. And basically, you're cutting the king off like this, okay, and you're putting them in a small box. So let's say they go here. You just do the same thing. You keep on cutting them off and making the box smaller. Here, this is all taken, this is taken, this is taken. So now either the king comes here, he comes here, or he comes here. He can't go anywhere else. Let's say the king comes here. You whatever he did, so he went down like this. You do the same. So you move your queen here. You've cut them off again, and now the box is getting smaller. So now let's say they come here, cut them off again. Now if they come here, you come here. You're making the box even smaller now. And now if they go somewhere like this, just cut them off again. If they come here, you come here, and now you've succeeded in cutting them off so much that they have to stay in this last rank. That's what it's called. It's called the back rank. So they have to stay in this area, and so their only legal move is to move king to b1. After that, you can do the same thing, but now you have to be very careful because when they go into a corner, don't go a knight's distance away from them again. If you do this, it's stalemate. They can't move anywhere. They can't go here, they can't go here, and they can't go here. So after they're here, they're stuck in this corner. All they're going to be able to do is come here to b1 and then go back to a1. So you bring your king closer. Okay, so the king moves here, bring your king closer, a1, king is closer, b1, and now you come here, okay? Or you can come here or whatever, but here. The only legal move is to go here, and now you have 5 different ways of giving checkmate. You can go here, you can go here, you can go here, you can even go here, and you can go here. Just remember to stay away from the king, like to stay one knight's move away from the king, but when he reaches the corner, don't go here. Like don't give a stalemate. So I hope you learned how to use this checkmate and win games like this. I hope this helps you in future games. Thank you for watching. Bye.